सर आई एम रियली होपिंग कि मुझे स्ट्राइक या क्लेम पड़ेगा तो ठीक है, स्ट्राइक नहीं पड़नी चाहिए। इवन तो मेरे 46 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, मैं कहाँ पर। ओके लेट्स गो। ओके द आर्ट लुक्स प्रिटी कूल। ओके प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी, डोंट पुश, गेट इनसाइड अ बिट मोर, डोंट पुश। ओके भाई यहाँ पर बकचोदी चल रही है यहाँ पर। हेल, commuting to school is hell. Of course it's hell bro, from the start of your life school is a hell भाई। अभी भी मुझे कॉलेज मेरा चल रहा है 12वीं का, मुझे कॉलेज जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा। बहन चोद, मतलब सिर्फ 3 घंटे का होता है। अब इतना आलस आ चुका है ना क्वारंटीन में, बहुत आलस आ रहा है मुझे। एनीवेज लेट्स गो। आई मीन हाउ डिड आई गो टू स्कूल ड्यूरिंग माई फर्स्ट ईयर? आई रियली शुड ईदर मूव आउट और क्विट स्कूल। हाँ ओके सो ये हम सब ने सोचा है एक टाइम पे, सच बताऊँ तो। जब हम आई मीन स्कूल इज़ बोरिंग यार, क्या ही बोल सके अगर तुम्हें सब सब्जेक्ट्स पसंद नहीं तो। संगहू संगबे, those are some weak words from the formal special forces discharge sergeant. Is the special forces part a lie? How can you who faced a cruel training not stand up for 2-hour ride? Say that after you're gone to the military, until when you will postpone it. Okay, let's see how it actually is. Sangwoo Sanbe, I'm just going to say one thing. Korea will unify. What does it mean? I hope the plot is really good. Okay, bullshit. How dare a mere brat like you say that when you don't even watch the news? Oh, okay. Okay. यहाँ पर अगर इंडिया में ये बोलता तो न्यूज़ चैनल्स की माँ चुट चुकी है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। मुझे देखने का मन भी नहीं करता भाई। एक बार तो इन्होंने कोविड न्यूज़ ही बदल दी थी, नंबर्स ही बदल दिए थे कोविड के। फैन चो, तब से लेकर आज तक मैं न्यूज़ चैनल देख ही नहीं रहा। माँ चुदा फैन चो। आई नो दैट यू गॉट डिलेड गोइंग टू द मिलिट्री बिकॉज ऑफ me young and your identity is ambitious. Okay, look here Anjusi, let's not talk about her. Okay, during the welcome battery from 3 years ago I definitely told you to not become CC. Let's see what actually is. I have no clue. Let's see why. Hango, did you perhaps cry? No. भाई nice, उसे लगा कि ये रो रहा है। nice. Look at the sky, huh? What's wrong with sky? Does it remind you of Mei Young's face? Huh? Didn't you just see the text in the sky? Huh? You missed a lot, huh? It was definitely there just now. That more downloading monster. It was at 99% where it disappeared. Okay. It's above the library building. Huh? Let's see what's a monster. This brat. What kind of game you have played before you pay? You can't even tell the difference between reality. Okay. ये बाप पे कर रहा है. You are seeing television now. Because you drink too much these days. Who is the fucking main character of this game? Is this guy or is that blonde guy? I have no clue. Sung Gun Woo. Sunbay, let's grab some coffee first. My mind is confused right now. I need caffeine. Okay. We don't have time, Professor. Kim will kill us if we are late. Okay. Ooh, you'll be calm though. Won't you? You have the mental strength from here. Okay. Then see you at lunch. It seems like my class will finish early today. Oh, but I really saw some writing earlier. Stop spouting nonsense. I'll get going first. I'll call you later. Okay, bye. Every fucking manwa. Let's see what actually happens. I want to sleep. Shouldn't have coffee earlier. It's getting hard to open. Oh, तो यही है क्या अपना main character? हाँ, what? What is the best of the survival in this world that has fallen? Choose one right now. What the fuck? Okay. What, a blackout? I can't see anything. Complete darkness during the day to the point where we can't see anything. This is normal blackout. I can't turn my on phone too. That's just what's happening. But what's this? Am I the only one who can see this? What the fuck? Okay, screens आ चुके हैं, holograms आ चुके हैं जो कि अपने पहले दोस्त को दिख चुके थे। ओके नाइस। पहला दोस्त क्या पता कोई स्पेशल प्रजाति का लौंडा हो। I can see it too. Is it a hologram? It's not a hallucination or a hologram. This message, everyone is looking at the same thing. 15 seconds remain. Let's see what he chooses. Cards. Okay. Can you see them? The cards. Guys, don't touch them. Right. Don't touch them. It's dangerous. Isn't the opposite? Isn't the opposite more dangerous? Do nothing. Who knows what will happen in 15 seconds? Is it telling me to choose card? Which class? Poker. What do I do? I mean, जिसने पोकर नहीं खेली उसके तो लौड़े लग जाएंगे। Anyways, कितने सेकंड बचे हैं बेंचो? 8 सेकंड भाई, चूज कर ले बैंड के लौड़े। वो oh, what is this card? Perhaps it is a warrior card that just deep. Okay. Necromancer. नेक्रोमेंसर लग गए लौड़े भाई। आई थिंक नेक्रोमेंसर जो मरे हुए को भी जिंदा करे यार और अपनी आर्मी बनाए, लाइक सोलो लेवलिंग में ऐसा हुआ था, आई गेस वही है नेक्रोमेंसर। आई एम बैक। ऑनेस्टली मेरी कोई शक्ति नहीं है रीड करने की, क्योंकि इसके बाद मुझे पढ़ाई भी करनी है एंड आई एम रियली बोर्ड बाय स्टडिंग। आई गेस मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत ख़राब है एंड क्या कहते हैं तुम्हारे इसमें फकिंग पेपर ऑफ IT एंड मुझे नहीं ऑनेस्टली रीड करना, फिर भी मैं रीड पता नहीं क्यों कर रहा हूँ। Is this real squad? I'm scared. What the hell is this squad? And what is that squad? I choose the warrior card and I feel like then I'm really a necromancer. But then why isn't anything appear in front of me? Ah, someone help. Take it off me. It hurts. Please save me. Oh, oh, oh. आ गया भाई अपना wolf. What is that? Everyone move away. Let's see. Mishimu, you remember me, right? Fuck. What do you expect me to do? We are done for. Okay, let's see what happens. If I know, I will just run away. Oh, if I turn, it will be end for me. Let's see what happens भाई. Let's see. फॉर्मल मिलिट्री गाय क्या कर सकता है, इसके पास अक्ल तो है भाई. Let's see. Shit. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, boy. He just killed it. Wow, nice. What? Let's go, boys. What is message on me? Gobbling 10 level goals. Don't tell me. Is this world like running like a game? Let's go भाई. अब हो चुका है गेम का फॉलोअर बन चुका हूँ. क्या गॉड स्केलेटन? ओके लेट्स गो वर्क बिहाइंड यू. लेट्स गो भाई. हाँ दिस इज अ स्केलेटन. लेट्स गो भाई. राइट माय जॉब कॉल नेक्रोमेंसर. लेट्स गो. ओह फक. This is just a fucking awesome meme. This is just fucking awesome, bhai. Let me screenshot this, bhai. Let me screenshot this. This should be in thumbnail. If this is not in thumbnail, what the fuck is in thumbnail?